everyone, what's up? It's Eunice and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to unbox the Drunk Elephant The Trunk 3.0. So this is their third year doing the trunk, and I wasn't familiar with the brand when they first did this, but last year they came out with like an acrylic box wherein it has some of the best sellers from the brand. So this year they released a skincare refrigerator that contains all of the best sellers inside. So for today's video, we are going to unbox this. I'm going to talk about my experience using some of the products, and for those that I haven't actually tried, I did try my best to do some research online so I can let you guys know what the product does, what it contains, and whatnot. So do note that my statements are based on my personal experience using the products and from what I've researched online. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the details of the refrigerator. The Trunk 3.0 comes with a free refrigerator. It is considered as a gift. If you order it online and it doesn't work, I don't think it's eligible for a replacement. Somebody is vacuuming while I'm filming. Hold on. So the Trunk 3.0 retails for $450. So it has $646 worth of products inside. So I'm just trying to show you guys how big this skincare fridge is, and I already took out the contents because, like I said, I was gonna show you guys, and it wouldn't close with the boxes in it. So when you open it, it has like a hinge right here that you click and then open. It has a compartment right here for your face mask and then a shell for like your skincare. So if you're from a different country, the voltage of this refrigerator is 110 to 240 volts, so it's kind of universal, I believe. And then it has like a carrying handle over here, and then all the plugs are at the back, and it has like a cold switch and a hot switch, which is wow, so it could be heated. Interesting. So let's go into the contents of the trunk. So when you get your trunk, you'll have two boxes inside. So the first item is this A Passioni retinol cream. So it's like a retinoid cream. It's an anti-aging cream. It's 1% vegan retinol. So what the retinol cream has is vitamin A1, which reduces fine lines and wrinkles through stimulating production of new blood vessels in the skin that help improve the skin color. According to like its description, it also has some superfood-rich ingredients peptide blend that helps firm and strengthen. It also has vitamin F, which is like fatty acids that helps soothe and calm the skin. So it's helpful for like after you do a facial too, because it helps like calm your skin down and prevent like the redness from occurring in your skin. So basically, this is a solution for diminishing fine lines and wrinkles as well as sun damage without redness or irritation. And the redness and irritation is prevented by those fatty acids that help soothe the skin and calm the skin down. So one thing to note when you use the retinol cream is the fact that you need to prevent your skin from sun damage, so you need to apply some sunscreen daily. Since I am not yet like in my late 20s, I don't necessarily need this yet, so I haven't really used it, but my sister who's around her late 20s is already using it because they say the best practice for like anti-aging is preventive measures. So before you even see wrinkles or fine lines appear in your face, use products that will help prevent them or that will actually like help diminish them. So the next item is the jelly cleanser. So I actually have tried this. I received a deluxe sample size version of this. It claims to remove all traces of makeup and pollution on your face. So basically anything that your face got from like going out and about the entire day. It's also fragrant free. For $32, I don't think it's worth it because there's a lot of other drugstore cleansers that does the same thing. There's really nothing special in this cleanser in my opinion compared to all the other Drunk Elephant products. So this is actually something that I would skip. So now we have the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. This is one of my favorite moisturizers from Drunk Elephant and one of my favorite moisturizers in general. So this one retails for $68. It is a protein moisturizer. It's really lightweight, so it's perfect for underneath your makeup, and it also has peptides that's similar to the retinol. It replaces the collagen that you lose on the daily, hence improving skin elasticity, so it makes your skin more supple and more not dull, if that makes sense. So it's like a 2-in-1 product. It's moisturizing and it's age-defying altogether. Actually, moisturizing your face is a good anti-aging regimen, but since it has like those peptides nga, it helps rebuild those collagens that you lose. Since it's very thin and lightweight, my skin absorbs it pretty quickly, so it's perfect as a daily moisturizer because I don't have to wait for my skin to absorb it completely before applying makeup on my face. TLC Sukari Baby Facial. This is one of my favorite Drunk Elephant products. Whenever I see my skin breaking out, I usually go and use this facial right away, and then the next day I see my zit or my acne already dried out and ready to go away from my face. Unfortunately, this product is not available in other countries because of the amount of AHA and BHA AHA, and we'll go into those ingredients later on. So the Sukari Baby Facial retails for $80. In my opinion, if you don't have acne prone skin or if you don't really have that much problems with your skin, you don't have to use this all the time. I used to use this once weekly when my skin was at its worst, and then now that it's gotten a lot better, I only use it whenever I break out. So I don't really have the full-size version of this. So what I purchased is the baby version, and I'm so glad they came out with this. But anyway, TLC Sukari Baby Facial has 25% AHA. So AHA is alpha hydroxy acid. So it has glycolic for exfoliation and removing the outermost layer of your skin. The tartaric, on the other hand, removes the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. It is a little bit more stronger than the glycolic acid. And then the lactic acid is similar to the glycolic acid, but it's milder. It moisturizes your face while exfoliating it as well. What the lactic acid does is that it restores the moisture after exfoliation, because when exfoliating your face, you're actually stripping out like the natural oils in it as well. The lactic acid just helps restore that oil so that you don't have dry patches after using the product. So when using the Sukari Baby Facial, what I like to do is right after I apply some luxury virgin marula oil, which we'll get into later, because that will just help restore all the moisture that was lost from exfoliating. This is probably one of my holy grail products as well, the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. I love this because I have dry skin, so I really have to hydrate my face, lalo na kapag winter when it's super cold outside. So ever since I started using this, I haven't had any dry patches on my face, and I love it because since it is in a serum formula, my skin just absorbs it pretty quickly. I use this in the morning and at night time as well. If you have dry skin, highly recommend this. If you don't have dry skin, I don't know that you need this. So it does not only hydrate the skin, but it repairs and prevents your skin from fine lines and wrinkles because it replenishes the moisture that was lost in your skin. The C Firma Day Serum. This is a potent vitamin C serum that's good for all skin types. It retails for $80, and the high price tag is because of the amount of ascorbic acid in this. I've noticed that Drunk Elephant has the most ascorbic acid in their vitamin C serum. A lot of other vitamin C serums, a lower percentage of vitamin C or ascorbic acid. It's also great for like the dark spots or like the brown spots on your face. What I've noticed is that ever since I started using this, my brown spots are starting to they're not really that gone, but they're like starting to light up. So I'm gonna continue to use this product. Right now I have a different vitamin C serum that's a lot cheaper. My other problem is the shelf life of this product. Once you open it, you only have 6 months to finish it. So that's why I'm trying to finish up the vitamin C that I currently use and then go back to the Drunk Elephant one, because this one just really helped brighten up my face. It made me look more awake and more radiant. It helps firm and brighten the appearance of your skin. So this product helps improve the signs of photo aging in your skin, which is UV from the sun. The Framboost Glycolic Night Serum. This is an AHA and BHA blend as well, similar to the Sukari Baby Facial. So it does not only... I forgot to mention the difference between AHA and BHAs. The AHAs exfoliate the surface of your skin, while the BHAs goes deeper into your pores and exfoliates that area. So I've noticed I've had a lot of like blackheads and whiteheads recently, so I did repurchase like the full-size version of the Glycolic Night Serum. So it helps get rid of that, yung BHA, and then the AHA is for the rest of your face. For the surface of your face lang siya. So AHAs is alpha hydroxy, BHA is beta hydroxy. Despite the fact that this has AHAs and BHAs in it, it also has like calming properties, so that after it exfoliates your skin, it will soothe it to prevent that redness. So these three products, the first time I used this, I experienced a little bit of tingling on my skin, but the feedback from Drunk Elephant is that your skin is still getting used to the amount of acids. If you're not yet used to the amount of acids, you're still gonna feel that tingling effect. So what you want to do is you want to calm your skin down, and that's where the luxury virgin marula oil comes in. So the full-size luxury virgin marula oil retails for $72, and personally I don't feel like I need the entire like full-size version. There's a smaller bottle that you can use because I only use this during the winter time, and during the summer kapag sobrang nag-break out ako and I use a lot of these products, that's the only time I will apply oil on my face. It deeply moisturizes, soothes, and nourishes your skin because it is in an oil formula nga. So mas hydrated hydrating siya as compared to like your creams, your serums. Mas talagang nakaka-hydrate siya. So if you have oily skin, I don't think you need the oil per se, because for me na who has dry skin, whenever I use this at night, the next day when I apply my makeup, sometimes I don't even apply moisturizer after, but even though I don't, my skin is super hydrated from applying this the night before. So that is one of the reasons why I love it. Even with a steep price tag, I think it's worth it, especially if you have dry skin. If you live in a colder climate, this will save your skin from dry patches. It's amazing. So the Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. I've heard a lot of good reviews about it for brightening the fine lines and wrinkles. I used to not believe in eye creams because my sister told me that it's just a glorified moisturizer, but I found out that, well, Ate Sam told me naman, mahilig din siya sa skincare. The skin on our under eye area is a lot thinner, so most of the time, moisturizers that is meant for our entire face, you can't really apply them here because it's thin. It's really thin, so it needs something more special and more formulated for the thin skin. So enter eye creams, and ever since I started using eye creams, I definitely see a difference between not applying eye cream regularly and compared to when I do apply it regularly. I do see that my under eye area depuffs, it's not as dark as it used to be, and it's just a lot healthier. Like, it's more moisturized in my opinion. This is also vitamin C based, and it also has that 8 peptide blend. So similar to all the products, it's for anti-aging, it's brightening your face, and it has that, yes, we're exfoliating your face, but we're restoring the moisture on your face as well. I don't think Drunk Elephant is gimmicky because most of the products that I use from them, they actually work and they helped improve my skin. Forgot to mention that today I decided to go makeup free for this video, and I just have my brows on and a little bit of lip mask, but other than that, I just have sunscreen and moisturizer on my face. Just like any eye cream, it's a whopping $64, and a lot of other high-end eye creams that I see in the market are around that $60 price range. So I don't think it's priced way above its other counterparts, but I'm still curious to see because it's Drunk Elephant. So the last product is the Umbra Sheer Physical Daily Defense SPF Sunscreen SPF 30. So this is a product that only has 3-star reviews on Sephora. So it basically does what it does. It's a sunscreen. What else? But the only problem is it does leave a white cast on your face, and that's something that not a lot of people like. So when you have a medium to deep skin tone, you can really see this sunscreen on your face, and that's what's throwing people off, especially if you apply sunscreen underneath your makeup and you use this. You'll definitely have like a white cast, and you know, we don't want to see flashback Mary. This product has a counterpart, the tinted sunscreen, which I know a lot more people like. So I'm not gonna expound on this that much because it's just a sunscreen that has zinc oxides, a skin protectant that is used to treat and prevent various skin conditions, including minor abrasions, burns, and chafing. So if you have like, I guess if you have like sunburn and whatnot, then this, I guess, helps restore your skin or something like that. I did try this in store and I did see a little bit of white cast on it. Like, you can really see kasi after you've blended in, and then you can see that white peeking through. That is a no-no for me for sunscreens. So that is everything that's in the trunk. So if you're thinking of trying out Drunk Elephant, don't buy the trunk because it's so expensive. Get like the littles first and then see if your skin likes the products, if your skin reacts to it well, and then purchase the full-size product because Drunk Elephant is a little bit expensive. So if you're like me, it doesn't make sense to purchase like the entire trunk because you don't really need all of those products. They do have 3 other holiday value sets. I have the Shelf Control and the Shelf Respect. The Shelf Control retails for $98, and I actually broke this. I just got this today and I broke it. It has a knob right here, but I broke it. Anyway, it has the Glycolic Night Serum, which retails for $90, and then basically all the other products are $8 because this is $90 and then the set is $98. But it comes with the Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream, which is something I can finally try. So excited for that. The Jelly Cleanser with it, which I don't really care about. It's nice to bring along to travel with. What I love about the deluxe sample size version is the packaging. The way that the lid opens, you just twist it up and then it has an opening right here. And then it has a deluxe sample size version of the Luxury Virgin Marula oil as well. And this is a product that I did not mention. This is the Lala Whipped Cream. The Lala Retro Whipped Cream is like a thicker moisturizer. It's something that I like to use at night. So for me, this is totally worth it because I only really need this one. But the entire set retails for $98 and the overall value is actually $155. But if you don't need the Glycolic Night Serum, they also have the Shelf Respect. It also has that same medicine cabinet look, but it has like a gold packaging, and it has the C Serum Day Serum naman, and then the Umbra Physical Daily Defense Sunscreen, the Protein Polypeptide Cream, which I love, B Hydra, love that as well. It has the D Bronzy. I love this product. It helps give my face a natural radiant glow. I apply it before applying foundation. I love it. It's like a primer that has that kind of not sheen because it doesn't have any glitters, but it just helps give your face a nice radiant glow. So I might actually trade my sister for that. So these are the two other holiday kits that I think are worth it. If you've already tried the Glycolic Night Serum and the Day Serum, definitely purchase these because, like I said, you get a lot more value for your money. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you like it and I hope you found it helpful, and I hope that it helped in your like drunk elephant purchasing decision. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Once again, it's Eunice. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!